Okay everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Sunday and daylight saving times just happened. I think people are going to feel sluggish, they're not going to want to cook, and I'm hoping for a good night. And I think Uber agrees with me because they gave me a quest. Increments of 3 again, so 3, 6, 9, and they're giving me $6, $9 and $12, total $27 for 9 delivery. Sign me up, I'm in. I was gonna come out anyway, so I'll take the extra money. And I also took this one, $5.50, 16 minutes. It's not the best, but I've been waiting for offers and I've gotten really bad offers. $3, $3.07, $7.49 for 50 minutes. No thank you, I'm not gonna take it. I took this one just to get moving, get the quest started, and let's go pick this up. Ubereats for Janet. Is it in here? Perfect, thank you. Oh, perfect. You too, thanks again. Hi, Uber Eats for Janet. Thank you, enjoy. Wow, is this gonna be my night? Before I even did that drop off, before I even parked, I got this one. $30.08, that's right, you heard me. $30.08, 47 minutes, 2 pickups and 2 drop-offs. Yes, of course, I'm going to take that one. And then they're giving me another one to make it a triple, $5.64 for an additional 11 minutes. That is going to put me at just over $47 in an hour and 10 minutes. Yes, let's hope they're ready. Let's keep the night going. This is going to be a banger. I'm excited to pick them up. Hi, Uber Eats pickup for Matt? Yes. Perfect. Thank you, all 3? Yes. Thank you, appreciate that. Hi, I'm picking up 2 orders for Uber, 7987B. Yes, and OFOC7. Perfect, thank you. How you doing today?
Good, and you?
Doing well, thanks. Got your food for you here. Oh, no problem at all. There you go, sir.
Awesome.
Enjoy, you too. I got 3 bags for you. The first 2, and I'll grab the 3rd here. And there you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Take care. You too. Thanks. How you doing?
Thanks so much.
Thank you for the directions, because a lot of times I've come in here and it's kind of been confusing, but you were very clear. So I appreciate that. Yeah, because the pin never gets it right.
No.
Like, they kind of have you just like over there. It's not too far, but sometimes they have me going right, but it's here, like it's all that. But you did great. I appreciate that.
All right, well, thank you again.
Yeah, enjoy your dinner. The famous $36 triple is in the books. All of those orders were ready. It was easy, dropped them all off. Took me a little bit out of my zone, so it took me about 12 minutes to get back. And all I've been doing is declining no tip orders. Lots of orders tonight, but not a lot of them have tips. I grabbed this one, $6.50, 14 minutes. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but I'm taking it. Hopefully it gets me back on a roll. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Chelsea. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi there. How you doing tonight? There you go, enjoy. Thank you. So that last one was easy. It was about 8 minutes all in, and 5 minutes later, they gave me this one. $4 for 9 minutes. I know it's not a lot of money, but it's really quick. If this restaurant has it ready, this is gonna be done probably 5-6 minutes as well, and that's gonna get tier 2 of the quest for an additional $9. So really, it's like $13, right? I'm finding that there's tons of orders tonight. I really don't think people feel like cooking. I think turning the clocks back an hour really messes with people. They don't feel like doing anything, so the money's coming to me. Unfortunately, the non-tippers are out. Lots of declining. Comment down below, how did you do? Did you go out this night? Did they give you a quest? Did you make some good money? Do you find that when people turn the clocks either forward or back, you're making more money? Let's talk in the comments, and I'm gonna go grab this one. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Especially subscribe. I really need it. Hi, Uber Eats for Dennis. Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Good night.
You too. There's your dinner. Thank you. Have a wonderful night. Thanks. Hi, Uber Eats for Brooke. Perfect, thank you. Appreciate that. You too. I have some great news. Remember that triple order I had that was about $36? Well, that last customer, the one that gave really good directions, he gave an additional $4. So that triple for an hour was $40. Absolutely amazing. But Uber has slowed me down on this quest. I've been getting non-tip orders. That's it. It's been bad for the last 20 minutes. They finally gave a trip radar. I jumped on it and I finally got it. $8 and a penny, 12 minutes. McDonald's, should be quick, should be easy. Let's go grab it and we can get this done. Hi, Ubereats F367A.
Yep.
Perfect, thank you.
Would you like any coffee or tea?
No, I'm great, thank you. Appreciate that. You too. There you go, sir, enjoy. You too, take care. Uber was really trying to draw this out, so I just parked and waited for an offer. I wasn't getting anything, and finally a trip radar came in and they gave me this one. $8, 14 minutes. Yes, this is going to complete the quest. I'm going to grab this one. Hold on, stay with me. We're going to get this completed and tally up the total and see how much I made. Hi, Uber Eats for Alan? Sure, thank you. Great, thank you. You too. So that's going to bring my night to a close. My grand total, $105.19. Really excited about that. Triple digits on a Sunday. I haven't seen that in a while. But I know $27 of that was the quest. A lot of you have said, don't chase incentives. It's not worth it. But I find when I chase incentives, I make more money. Evident tonight, I made more money. I'm thrilled. And I'm thrilled that you're watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.